Today, we're testing a 2-in-1 handheld vacuum and tire inflator, which is perfect for every Tesla and car owner. A quick explainer of the key specifications from this product. You have a 2-in-1 vacuum plus air inflator combo. You have up to 13,000 Pascal suction with HEPA filtration, which is great for car interiors. You have a brushless motor, which is quieter and also efficient. You have LED pressure display with selectable PSI, kPa and bar. And then you have a portable battery with Type-C charging. Hello everyone. A company known as T-Launch, formerly known as Teslaaccessories, reached out to me and asked if I could review this product for them. I obliged with the condition that I'll be giving it my honest and unbiased opinion. So to start with, it's a 2-in-1 air inflator and a vacuum cleaner. So literally, it's a device that serves two purposes. You can use it to vacuum the interior of your vehicle, and also you can use it to inflate the tires or inflate your tires. So I'll be starting with the build quality. In terms of the build quality, it looks premium. There are no sharp edges, and also the buttons are well placed. So in terms of the build quality, it looks good. So in terms of specification, it's got 13,000 Pascal suction power, which is more than enough to vacuum the interior of your vehicle. It also comes with this extension, which makes it easy for you to reach some inner parts of your vehicle. It's lightweight at only 560 grams, and the battery capacity is rated at 2,600 milliamps per hour. This device has a dual function. You can use it to vacuum the interior of your vehicle. You can also use it to inflate your tires, your basketball, your football, or the tires in your bicycle. You literally switch up and down to switch between the vacuum cleaning, or if you want to inflate your tires, you just switch it back down. At the bottom here, you have an LED screen, which serves the purpose of switching between different pressure. You have the PSI, you have the kilopascal, and you have the bar. And you have the button right here to just set the pressure. One good thing about this is when you are inflating your tires, you can set the maximum pressure you want your tires to be. So once it gets to the maximum pressure, it automatically cuts, which is an amazing function. To activate the vacuum cleaning, you have to toggle the button up and then press this button once. If you press it once, it activates the vacuum cleaning, and when you press it a second time, it increases the speed, and the third press turns it off. To inflate your tires or your basketball, you have to toggle this button back down, then set the pressure, that you want your tires to be. You can set it to whatever you want it to be. Then you double tap the play button right here and then tap it again to turn it off. My tire pressure is currently low and I've been getting this notification. So if I tap on this button right here, it's showing me that my tire pressures are lower than the recommended value, which is 42 psi. It's showing me 40 psi on the left hand side, and then I have 39 psi on the front right and 43 psi on the rear right. So I'll be using this device to inflate my tires so they all match to the recommendation. So after using the device to inflate my tires, I have the front tire set to 42 psi, which is matching the recommended value, and then the rear value to be 43 psi, which is not much of an issue. It's just 1 psi more than the recommended value. So in terms of the price point, it's a cool device, it does the job, and it fits perfectly into my glove box. If you're interested in purchasing one of these devices, then I'll leave the link in the description box, and if you use my code I-Wheelz, you get 10% off your purchase price. So after using the device to vacuum clean my car and also to inflate my tires, what is my opinion? My opinion is that when you're doing the vacuum cleaning, it takes bits of a patience. It doesn't in any form replace the traditional vacuum cleaning, the bigger one. I understand it's a small device. It's only 13,000 Pascal suction power, which is reasonably good, but it doesn't replace you taking your car to a proper place where you can get your car vacuumed or cleaned, especially when you have a deep dirt. It takes more effort to get the dirt cleaned out. And also with respect to the tire pressure, it took me about 3 minutes per tire to get it inflated from 38 psi, which it was, to 42 psi. So it all depends on how low your tire pressure is. If your tire pressure is about 15 psi, then it could take longer time. But it's a nice device to have if you, for instance, you want to inflate your tires in the morning, or you want to clean your car every other day or every day. It's a nice device to have, considering the price and also the size. So if you have used this product or something similar in the past, I'd love to hear your opinion. What do you think about it? And most importantly, don't forget to like the video, don't forget to put a comment, don't forget to subscribe, and then I'll see you in the next one.